as silver streaks fall from the clouded sky. Rain and snow, fallen sea, these ancient rhythms flowing free. Constant pulse of turning tide, where earth and water intertwine inside. A blanket softly laid below, hushing the world in a silent glow. Diamond dust is on the frigid breeze, frozen beauty clinging to the trees. Rain and snow, falling sea, these ancient rhythms flowing free. Constant pulse of turning tide, where earth and water intertwine inside. Volcanoes golden red, where summer slowly gently shed. Leaves like antlers floating to the ground. A quiet promise of the winter bound. Rain and snow, fallen sea, these ancient rhythms flowing free. A constant pulse of turning tide, where earth and water intertwine inside. Rain